Good afternoon, YouTubers. Shadow Scout Swede here. I'm sorry for the last video I uploaded, and I know the sound was not the best. I thought that problem would be solved, but no. What I said in that video was that I recommend these 4 books I showed. These are books contain a lot of good information, right? And I recommend you guys to buy them because they can be useful, right? And I want to make a little shout out to Metal Band Prepper, my new subscriber. Thanks for joining my channel, and I hope you will enjoy your stay, right? I try to make good videos, but it doesn't work that well because I don't have the best equipment at all, and I would need some better cameras. And Mike, thanks for your patience. You're a good man. You're a man with knowledge, a lot of it, and a lot of experience too. And I hope everything will be better. So, sorry about that disruption, or I mean interruption. And I feel a little bit sad when it doesn't work as I want to. Right? I hope I can get out some more videos, but with my equipment I can't do that. Not that often as I would like to, right? So it will be a while between the times I can get out, get some new videos uploaded. But this one is a short one, right? But it's better than nothing. And I'm still pissed on the world situation and how blind people are. They don't see the dark. They don't see the small things who can create a huge disaster or catastrophe. That makes me pissed when they ignore it. I can't agree with that. People need to wake up. Right? Well, thumbs up for every prepper channel, alternative news. Put them, share them on Gmail, Blogger, whatever social media you want to, Facebook. It's your choice. Shadow Scout Swede, out for now. Long live the king. Strength and honor. And be safe. And keep prepping.